After all sort of confirmations via official tweet, marketing material, and teaser camera sample, time for real-life images of the Nokia X/Nokia X6 to leak now. Yes, fans posted images of the yet-to-be-launched new Nokia X/Nokia X6 smartphone in China, and it comes with full display sporting a notch. Nokia's parent company HMD Global is reportedly launching a new X series in China on April 27. As per news and leaks, the phone will be called the Nokia X6. The first official-looking renders of the phone have been leaked in China. Images showing the device were already posted on social media in China, and the phone does look like what you'd expect from an HMD-made Nokia phone. Aside from the evident iPhone X-like design, the Nokia X6 has a dual-lens camera on the back and a fingerprint sensor. The Nokia logo, meanwhile, is clearly visible on the bottom bezel and the phone's back. It's not a reiteration of the Symbian variant of the X6 launched by the company back in the old Nokia days, but carries the same name. The leaked press renders of the phone suggest a notch above the display, which would make it the first Nokia phone to wear a notch. Additionally, there are very thin bezels on the sides and a narrow chin with an awkwardly placed Nokia branding at the bottom right. The back looks exactly like the Nokia 7 Plus, which was launched by the company at MWC 2018. It has similar copper accents on a white panel with a dual camera module and a fingerprint sensor. The LED flash has found a new place, it has moved below the camera. The Nokia X6 is said to have a 5.8-inch display with 19:9 aspect ratio. Reports suggest two variants, one with Snapdragon 636 and 6 GB of RAM, and the low-end variant with a Mediatek Helio P60 chipset paired with 4 GB of RAM. It will most likely ship with Android Auto 8.1 out of the box and will come with Android One certification. The X6 is expected to have a 5.8-inch 19:9 display, with a dual 12-megapixel rear camera system and rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. Nokia has once again used copper coloring for various accents on the rear panel, similar to the recently released Nokia 7 Plus. Elsewhere, the X6 is expected to arrive with a Mediatek Helio P60 processor with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. A second version will likely incorporate a Snapdragon 636 processor, 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The Nokia X6 will launch in China, costing around $250. It's not yet clear if it will make its way to other territories around the world. There is no word on the India availability of the phone yet. We might have an update once the device is officially launched in the Chinese market.